2018 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.